When ka nakaibawan ng financial planning?
When ko nakaibaw? When I was, I think, 23 years old. 23, 22. It was a Sun Life financial advisor.
Okay.
Yeah. Sa lain nga company, but again, we're in the same industry. But it's the first time I heard about financial planning. And then, at that age, dito ko na mulat bitaw, no? We need to pay ourselves first before others. Ano ba? Kay, kung mahutdan ka, gusto kayo, kay pwede nana, karaga, nanana. So, you need to pay yourself first, especially during your retirement. Mag-prepare ka.
So, during that time, pag 23 ni mo, after na, is mo na time nag-financial advisor ka or?
No, I was not a financial advisor at that time.
So, you were presented lang by a financial advisor?
Oo. It's a group presentation.
Okay, so more like financial wellness seminar.
Financial wellness, and then together with my girlfriend before, your wife na, no? So tanaw ni bitaw nila moderni. But at that age, yes, na ko'y understanding. But wala ko'y enough maturity ba to decide. Lano, importante din eh. No? So manang, sayang to nga mga moments, but it's a good realization side for all single young professionals out there. Is somebody na ganahan mo share ni mo o ganang about financial literacy, you need to be open. Okay, at the end of the day, ikaram gyapon.
Yes. Kayo. Kay just want to kuan lang pod. Actually, akong brother siya jud provide ng bigger idea bitaw about financial planning. Siya jud kuan na. During that time, kuan, I think may akong bata ato kuan man mapoy pag-anak ba?
Okay.
So dito na ko realize nga I think I need man siguro gid nga ni financial planning, especially kasakang edad sa bata magkadako bidyo mga gastuon. So